Hello everybody, Steve Canjar here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today, we're in the completely finished basement of our listing at 105 Viger Drive here in the beautiful city of Welland. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom bungalow, townhouse with 3 gorgeous bathrooms, finished basement, fenced yard, a stone's throw away from the canal to watch the ships go by, and literally a 2-minute drive to the 406. You want to see why this one's not going to last long? Let's have a look. Whether you're buying or selling a home, or both, your success hinges upon the expert advice and services provided by your real estate agent. My team of realtors and I are committed to providing our clients with professional services based on our experience, knowledge, and skills. We are the agents who specialize in this local market and have the reputation for putting you, the client, first. My name is Stephen Canjar and I'm the broker of record at Peak Performers Realty. We're looking forward to learning more about you, your needs, and your goals.